Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn how to add checkboxes in Google Sheets. Open up your Google Sheets in your web browser. Now you click on an empty cell where you want to add a checkbox. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and you click on it. Then you select checkbox or tick box depending on how it appears on your screen. Now, the checkbox have been inserted or added here. To add this checkbox to other columns, move your mouse to the cell that displays the checkbox to the bottom of the cell, and when it shows a plus sign like this, you double click and drag along across other columns, and it has been added to other columns. Now, you have successfully added checkboxes to your Google Sheets. That's all for the video, guys. Easy and quick. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more video content. Bye friends.